Another tool in the Black Oxide series is the Wave. Currently the 830489 model, the one including the cap crimper, is on back order. We do have this model in stock. It is the same as the regular Wave. It's got the large bit driver, the small bit driver, the scissors, the screwdriver with a reversible bit, and the can bottle opener. It has needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, and hard wire cutters. The outside accessible blades feature a file, a saw, a regular knife, and a knife with serrated edges. This model of the Wave is currently on sale. The price will be included with the specs as soon as this is over.